are studying Electronics and Communication Engineering Teshwa College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about 1-bit and 2-bit magnitude comparator. Introduction. A magnitude comparator is a digital circuit that compares two binary numbers and determines whether one is greater than, less than, or equal to the other. A 1-bit magnitude comparator compares two 1-bit numbers, while 2-bit magnitude comparator compares two 2-bit numbers. The output of the magnitude comparator is a set of control signals indicating the result of the comparison. 1-bit magnitude comparator. The truth table for the 1-bit magnitude comparator has two input bits A and B and three output signals. A is greater than B, A is less than B, and A is equal to B. The output signals depend on the binary values of A and B and are determined by comparator the corresponding bits. For example, if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then A is less than B is equal to 1. A is greater than B is equal to 0, then A is equal to B is equal to 0. 1-bit magnitude comparator circuit diagram. The circuit diagram for the 1-bit magnitude comparator consists of logic gates such as AND, OR, and XOR gates. The input A and B connected to the gates and the output A is greater than B, A is less than B, and A is equal to B are obtained from the gates outputs. The logic gates perform the comparison of the input bits and generate the appropriate control signals. 1-bit comparator example. Let's consider an example with A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. In this case, A is greater than B is equal to 1, A is less than B is equal to 0, A is equal to B is equal to 0. The control signals indicates that A is greater than B. 2-bit magnitude comparator. Truth table. The truth table for 2-bit magnitude comparator has 4 input bits A1, A0, B1 and B0. The output signals A is greater than B, B is greater than A and A is equal to B are determined by comparing the corresponding pairs of bits. The output signal depends on the binary values of the input bits. 2-bit magnitude comparator circuit diagram. The circuit diagram for a 2-bit magnitude comparator is more complex than a 1-bit comparator. It consists of multiple logic gates connected in a specific configuration to compare the input bits. The output signal A is greater than B, A is less than B, and B is equal to B, A are obtained from a output of the logic gates. 2-bit magnitude comparator example. Let's consider an example with A is equal to 1, A0 is equal to 0, A0 is equal to 0, and B1 is equal to 1, B0 is equal to 1. In this case, A is greater than B is equal to 0, A is less than B is equal to 1, and A is equal to B is equal to 0. The control signals indicate that A is less than B. Advantages of magnitude comparators. Magnitude comparators provide a simple and efficient way to compare binary numbers. They are highly reliable and can handle large input bit sizes such as 8-bit or 16-bit numbers. Magnitude comparators can be easily implemented using standard logic gates, making them cost effective. Conclusion. In summary, magnitude comparators are essential components in digital system for comparing binary numbers. The 1-bit magnitude comparator compares two 1-bit numbers, while 2-bit magnitude comparator compares two 2-bit numbers. These comparators use logic gates to perform the comparison and generate control signals indicating the result of the comparison.